Welcome to the isolation facility at St. Rita's campus, your place of residence while you isolate. We hope that your stay here will be as pleasant as possible. This video outlines what you can expect during your isolation period. To avoid the spread of infectious diseases, the amount of contact you have with staff and other residents in this facility is minimised. On arrival, you will be allocated to a zone and bed space, and you will be provided with an identity wristband. You are asked to stay in your zone as much as possible. You are also asked to wear a mask at all times while outside your zone and to observe social distancing. Tea, coffee, disposable dishes and other items are supplied in your zone. If you require items which are not available from staff, example cigarettes, fizzy drinks, chocolate, etc., you can order these from the local shop. Please place your order by calling 01-8436-056 before 11 a.m. Advise the nurses and they will arrange collection of your items. All orders must be paid for when ordered by credit or debit card. Please note, for infection control reasons, no deliveries of hot food, takeaways are allowed. Fresh bed sheets and towels will be provided as required. Please put used sheets and towels in the red bag in the white laundry bin in your room. Your bed space will have a yellow bin which is for all waste. This will be emptied daily. Please do not put liquids in this bin. Dispose of liquids in the sink. Any bandages or wound dressings can be put in this bin. There are washing machines and tumble dryers available if you need to wash clothes during your stay. Dirty clothing must be put in orange bags before being washed. The healthcare assistant will assist you with your laundry. During your stay, you will have access to toilets and showers. The floor in your bed space will be cleaned daily for you. You will be asked by the cleaner to vacate the area while this is happening. The shower and toilet area will also be cleaned daily. However, you will be responsible for cleaning all other surfaces in your bed space using the wipes provided. We want you to be comfortable while you isolate, so it is important to follow the advice and guidance set out in this video and the welcome pack provided by staff. We also ask you to pay particular attention to the following. Leaving the facility grounds is not allowed, as this may spread infectious diseases to others. Noise levels should be kept to a minimum to help others recover. Alcohol and drug use are not allowed. Taking photos and videos are not allowed. Delivery of hot food, takeaways are not allowed. Personal items will only be delivered to you in exceptional circumstances and with the prior agreement of the nurses. The HSE takes no responsibility for your belongings. You are advised to limit the amount of personal items you bring to the facility. You will have a small lockable unit beside your bed, and it will be your responsibility to ensure that your valuables are properly secured in this unit. Visitors are not allowed on site in order to prevent the spread of infectious diseases. Residents are asked to treat all staff and other residents with dignity and respect. Physical and verbal abuse will not be tolerated and will be reported to the Gardaí. Any damage caused to your room during your stay will be recorded and may be reported to management and Gardaí for recoupment of costs. To protect yourself and others from infectious diseases, you should wash your hands regularly. If you cough or sneeze, cover your mouth and nose with a tissue. Place used tissues into the yellow bin and immediately clean your hands with alcohol hand rub. You will have access to on-site healthcare support, which includes a doctor, nurse and healthcare assistant. If you are feeling unwell at any stage, contact the nurses using the telephone in the recreational area. Nursing staff are available day and night. We understand that isolation can be difficult for some people. One-to-one counselling can be arranged to support you as you isolate. Please ask any staff member if you need counselling. Food served at the facility is prepared freshly by St. Dita's catering department. Most dietary requirements can be catered for and a children's menu is available. Meals are served at the following times in your recreational area. Breakfast, 9 a.m. Main meal, dinner, 1 p.m. Evening meal, tea, 5 p.m. The healthcare assistant will outline the food choices available when taking your order. You will have a meat, chicken and vegetarian option for your main meal every day. After each meal, please ensure you clean up and dispose of any leftover food and containers in the bin provided. There are recreational areas available for all residents. During hot weather, the nurses may arrange access to additional outdoor areas with sea views. Smoking and vaping is only permitted in dedicated outside areas. Resident and staff safety are very important. If you see smoke or fire, please press the fire call button and make your way to the nearest fire evacuation point. Do not wait for staff assistance. You will have access to TV and free Wi-Fi. The details of how to access Wi-Fi will be displayed in your zone. The healthcare team will plan your date of discharge. Prior to your discharge, you will be given the opportunity to evaluate the service you received during your stay using the Your Service, Your Say survey. Staff and management of the facility welcome all feedback and encourage you to do this. Finally, we wish you a speedy recovery and hope you have a pleasant stay here at the HSE National Infectious Diseases Isolation Facility.